Ed Sharkovich with the Scudbuster Diaries Flagler County Storm Chasers. Right now, Flagler County is under a tornado watch until 6 p.m. There is a very strong line of storms that are coming in from the west, affiliated with a cold front that has been moving its way across the United States since last night. Right now, we're situated here at Bing's Landing, up in the hammock, pretty close to the St. Johns County border, and we have a guest with us today, National Weather Service Skywarn Weather Spottle, somebody you may recognize, Miss Spindle. So, this is your first storm chase with us.
It's my first storm.
What are you thinking right now?
That I wish I could be in a helicopter and up in the sky.
Wow, she might be crazier than I am. So you want to be in a helicopter right now to be able to see this?
Yes, I would like to see what it looks like above it as well, not just below it.
So as you look out towards the west, you have a pretty good idea of what you're doing because you've taken the class and you've been teaching this stuff for a while. Looking out, what do you see that you have told your students about in the classroom?
We've been talking about the different levels of clouds, so how you can see, you can tell which way they're flowing. They should have been able to, at this point, know that they were coming in based on the cloud types we've seen over the last few days, predicting the wind, so you can tell.
This is Skywarn Net Control. Go ahead with your traffic, please.
Just received a message from Carlos Hernandez, whom you know. He said that over in the L section where he lives, he just experienced what he described as a microburst in his backyard.
So you're saying that Carlos Hernandez is relaying that he had a microburst at his location in the L section?
Yes, that's correct. He just sent me a message saying that a lot of material just lifted straight up in the air in his backyard, and then there was forceful rain coming back down.
Okay, Net Control copies. Flagler EOC from Skywarn Operations. Skywarn Net EOC copies.
All right, so we've got a big shelf cloud coming in. What are you thinking right now?
I don't know, it's so cool.
All right, it's so cool. All right, so take a look over there. So we've got,
It's starting to get cold.
yep, it's starting to get cold. So here we are. The big question is always going to be, are we going to get hail? Are we going to get hail with this? This cell coming in right now has been hail warned as far as cloud stuff goes. Of course, we're always looking up, and even though this is the leading edge right here, right over here, you can see that there are certain areas of this that are moving faster than others.
So there was a quarter-inch of rain in 10 minutes.
All right, we are back. This time we are at the end of Malacompa Road in the hammock. Miss Spindle, what are you thinking right now as this line of storms goes offshore?
We are watching the ceiling here to see if we get cool water spouts. It goes with the temperature differences here.
See anything that looks suspicious?
Those areas right there.
Yeah.
It didn't feel lower than the others. And you got a couple little weird lower areas right there.
All right, Miss Teacher, you have just had your first official storm chase. How are you feeling right now?
Ready to do it again.
Are we going to Disney?
Let's go to Disney!
All right, cool. So what are your observations? What were you thinking as this progressed? And if you learned anything, what was it that you learned?
I learned how to be able to just look up and tell when a rotation was forming based on the way the clouds would be smoother. Where a water spout would be in the clouds, because we didn't have those in LNJ. That was probably the coolest thing I learned today. And the angle we were standing when you could watch the shelf and stuff come in was probably one of my favorites.
All right, awesome.
It's cool.
Very good.
Yay!
Cool. Any words of advice for your students?
Keep your eye on the sky.